We've been diving into the nuance of communication, from listening actively to understanding those pesky barriers that can get in your way. Now let's shift gears and talk about another crucial skill, writing effectively in the business world. Why writing skills matter. With all the emails and instant messages and social media posts flying around, you might wonder if writing skills are still important. The answer is resounding yes. Writing is still the backbone of business communication. It's how we create proposals, reports, presentations, countless other documents that drive our work. So what sets good business writing apart? Let's dive into the key principles. Number 1, clarity is king or queen. In business, time is money and confusion is costly. Your goal is to make your message as clear and easy to understand as possible. Avoid jargons, technical terms, and convoluted sentences. Instead, use plain language and get to the point quickly. Number 2, knowing your audience. Think about who will be reading your writing. What do they already know? What do they need to know? Tailor your messages accordingly. If you're writing to a technical audience, you might be able to use more specialized vocabulary. But if you're writing to a general audience, keep it simple. Number 3, structure matters. A well-structured document is easy to read and understand. So use headings, subheadings, bullet points to break up the long blocks of text. Start with a strong introduction and summarize your main points, and end with a clear conclusion that tells the reader what to do next. One of the most important things in business communication is proofreading. So we come to our 4th point. Proofread, proofread, and proofread. Typos and grammatical errors can undermine your credibility and make you look unprofessional. Always take the time to carefully proofread your work. Even better, have someone else review it for you. A fresh pair of eyes can often catch the mistakes you have missed. Number 5, conciseness is key. In business writing, less is more. Get to the point quickly and avoid unnecessary words or details. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice clarity or thoroughness. It just means being mindful of your reader's time and attention span. Number 6, be professional but human. While business writing should be professional, it doesn't have to be dry or boring. Use a conversational tool, inject some personality, and don't be afraid to show some enthusiasm for your topic. Just remember to maintain a respectful and appropriate tone. Adapt to the format. Different types of business writings have different conventions. A formal report will have a different style and structure than a quick email. Make sure you understand the expectations for that specific format you're using. Number 8, the power of storytelling. People are naturally drawn to stories. If you can weave a narrative into your business writing, it can make your message more engaging and memorable. Your writing reflects you. Remember, your writing is a reflection of you and your company. By following these principles of effective business writing, you can create documents that are clear, concise, professional, and persuasive.